Imagine waking up on a rainy Monday morning in Sydney or Melbourne, turning over to hit the snooze button, and realizing you don't actually have to get out of bed. Your alarm isn't dictating your day anymore, because while you were sleeping, a completely passive stream of income rolled into your bank account, matching your old day job salary dollar for dollar. Replacing a $100,000 Australian salary, without putting in 40 hours a week of grueling effort, is the ultimate financial finish line for most Aussies. But if you look online, most people tell you the only way to get there is by managing a stressful portfolio of residential real estate, starting a high-risk side hustle, or day trading volatile stocks. That isn't zero effort. That's just taking on a second job. Today, I'm going to show you the actual, mathematically proven math to replace a $100,000 salary in Australia with true, absolute zero daily effort. We are going to look at the exact dollar amounts you need, the specific assets that make this possible, and a hidden Australian tax loophole that means a $100,000 passive income stream is actually worth way more than a $100,000 corporate salary. Let's start with why replacing a salary in Australia is structurally different and fundamentally easier than almost anywhere else on Earth. When you earn a $100,000 salary from your employer, you don't actually take home $100,000. After the taxman takes his cut under our progressive income tax brackets, your actual take-home pay drops down to roughly $75,000. But when you generate $100,000 through a diversified portfolio of Australian shares, something magical happens because of our unique tax system. It's called the Dividend imputation system, driven by franking credits. Because Australian companies have already paid a 30% corporate tax rate on their earnings before distributing them to you, the Australian Taxation Office gives you that tax back as a credit. If your entire income shifts from a corporate salary to fully franked dividends, your tax efficiency skyrockets. Those franking credits act as a massive shield, meaning you keep vastly more of your headline earnings. In fact, on a $100,000 dividend income stream, your effective net take-home pay can be thousands of dollars higher than a worker earning the exact same headline figure at a desk job. You are working less, keeping more, and letting the system work for you. So, what is the actual number required to step away from the corporate grind? To determine how much you need invested to yield a clean $100,000 annually, we have to look at realistic market yields across the Australian Securities Exchange. The baseline average dividend yield for the broader Australian market sits right around 4%. However, once you gross that up to include the value of franking credits, your real-world yield sits closer to 5.5%. If you tilt your portfolio slightly toward mature, cash-generating businesses or dedicated high-yield income funds, you can safely achieve a sustainable grossed-up yield of 6.5% without taking on reckless underlying risk. Let's run the hard math across 3 distinct portfolio yield scenarios so you can see your exact target. If you build a highly conservative, ultra-diversified broad market portfolio yielding a grossed-up 5%, you will need exactly $2 million invested to spin off $100,000 a year. If you optimize your portfolio for a balanced income strategy yielding a realistic 5.5% grossed up, that target number drops down to $1.82 million. And if you construct a dedicated, income-focused portfolio running at a high-quality 6.5% grossed-up yield, the amount you need to break free drops all the way down to approximately $1.53 million. Now, seeing a 7-figure number can feel incredibly daunting when you're looking at your current bank balance. But here is the perspective shift that changes everything. You do not need to save $1.5 or $2 million from your active salary. Trying to save that much cash is a losing battle. Instead, you need to feed the compounding machine consistently and let time do the heavy lifting for you. Let's look at a realistic wealth accumulation model. If you commit to investing $2,000 a month into a diversified Australian share portfolio, compounding at a standard long-term total market return of 9%, you will cross the $1.5 million mark in roughly 21 years. If you can step that up to $3,000 a month by optimizing your expenses or utilizing salary packaging, you crush that timeline down to just under 17 years. But what if you want to speed up this process even further without increasing your daily effort? This is where strategic account structuring comes into play. Running a dual-track strategy is how smart Australian investors fast-track their salary replacement. By maximizing your concessional contributions into superannuation, your investment earnings inside that environment are capped at a maximum tax rate of just 15% during your working years. Once you hit your preservation age and transition into a retirement phase, that tax rate drops to absolute zero. Because you cannot touch your super until later in life, You run a secondary portfolio outside of super to bridge the gap. This outside portfolio doesn't need to fund your entire life forever. It only needs to act as a financial runway to carry you from the day you quit your job until the day your highly tax-effective superannuation kicks in. The single biggest mistake people make when trying to build a zero-effort income stream is chasing hyper-high yields. If you see a company on the ASX offering an enticing 11 or 12% dividend yield, step away. In almost every single case, an extreme yield is a financial value trap. It usually means the company's share price has crashed because their business model is failing, or a massive dividend cut is fundamentally imminent. True zero-effort investing means you never want to spend your weekends worrying about company balance sheets, reading earnings reports, or stressing over individual stock collapses. You want boring consistency. The backbone of a bulletproof Aussie income stream relies on massive, structurally entrenched businesses that have paid steady distributions across decades through economic ups and downs. We are talking about the major banks, retail giants like Woolworths and Wesfarmers, and core miners like BHP. Better yet, you can completely remove the effort of choosing individual stocks by utilizing broad market exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. An investment in an ETF like Vanguard's VAS automatically spreads your money across the 300 largest companies in Australia with a single click. If you want a portfolio that tilts heavily towards sustainable cash distributions, funds like BetaShares YMAX or iShares IOZ give you instant diversification, automatic rebalancing, and quarterly cash distributions paid straight into your bank account. Once your portfolio is set up, the physical management takes less than 5 minutes a year. You simply switch your account settings from automatic dividend reinvestment over to cash payouts. From that moment on, the cash flows directly into your regular spending account every quarter like clockwork. To ensure your salary replacement lasts forever, you have to account for the silent killer of wealth, inflation. A $100,000 income today will not have the same purchasing power in 15 or 20 years. Fortunately, high-quality Australian businesses regularly raise the prices of their goods and services in line with inflation, which historically allows their dividend payouts to grow at a pace that matches or beats rising living costs. Replacing your salary with zero ongoing effort isn't a pipe dream reserved for the wealthy. It is a predictable, mechanical process of steady accumulation, smart local tax optimization, and choosing broad, boring investments over speculative hype. If this breakdown made the math click for you, do me a quick favor and hit that like button so more Aussies can discover how to break out of the daily grind. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you don't miss our next strategy breakdown. I'll see you in the next video.